In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the app permission on Android. So let's get started right away. So we basically want to open the settings app and just make sure to click on your app settings. And once you click on that, you want to click on all apps, and this may look different for you, but this is just basically end up on this sort of like page or screen right here where you can just see all your apps. And we would just want to click on an app just like this, and we can click on permissions as well, and that is where we change our permissions. So you can just click on one of these right here, and you can change them up and switch which ones you want to enable and which one not. And that is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.